What if you could invest in the AI revolution for under $10 a share? Today, we're revealing 5 AI stocks that could transform your portfolio in 2025. The big names like Nvidia and Microsoft get all the attention, but the real explosive growth often lies with smaller, under-the-radar companies. These are the companies poised to ride the massive AI wave without the sky-high price tag. We'll break down what each company does, why it's positioned for growth, and the key catalysts to watch in 2025. Let's dive in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more investing tips. Why AI stocks, and why now? The AI market is projected to grow over 30% annually, and low-cost stocks offer huge upside for small budgets. In 2025, breakthroughs in machine learning and automation are creating explosive opportunities across every industry. These aren't your blue-chip, set-it-and-forget-it investments. They're speculative, but the potential rewards are massive. Always do your research and understand the risks before jumping in. First up is SoundHound AI, ticker Sound, trading around $4 a share. SoundHound powers voice assistants in cars and restaurants, enabling natural, human-like conversations between people and machines. Their tech goes beyond simple commands. It understands context, follow-up questions, and filters out background noise. In the automotive sector, SoundHound offers carmakers a customizable voice platform, letting brands control their user experience instead of relying on tech giants. A major partnership with Honda is already integrating SoundHound's tech into vehicles, creating recurring revenue and a strong case study for future clients. The next big step? Scaling up, expanding contracts and landing new ones. Analysts see potential for the stock to double if SoundHound replicates its Honda success with other automakers or major restaurant chains. In restaurants, SoundHound's AI can power drive-thrus that never get orders wrong, upsell intelligently, and operate 24/7, cutting costs and boosting efficiency. As more restaurants adopt this tech, SoundHound is positioned to capture a huge market. Of course, competition is fierce, but SoundHound's independent brand-empowering approach sets it apart. Financially, they're still investing heavily in growth and aren't profitable yet, so you're betting on future potential, not current earnings. Watch for revenue growth and new large-scale contracts as key indicators. If they announce another major deal, like a nationwide rollout with a fast food chain, this stock could skyrocket. The low share price offers a low-cost entry into a high-growth story. Keep an eye on quarterly earnings and management's updates on partnerships and sales pipelines. SoundHound AI is a cutting-edge player in a rapidly growing field, with a clear strategy and massive addressable markets. If they keep landing big clients, 2025 could be a breakout year. This is our first pick, SoundHound AI. Next is BigBear.ai, ticker BBAI, trading around $2 a share. BigBear.ai specializes in AI-powered data analytics, turning massive, chaotic datasets into actionable insights. Their main clients? The US Army and Air Force, where predictive analytics can literally save lives. BigBear.ai's tools help predict equipment failures and optimize logistics, making them a trusted partner for government agencies. Government contracts are large, long-term, and sticky. Once integrated, agencies rarely switch providers. Recently, BigBear.ai secured several significant government contracts, signaling strong momentum heading into 2025. As the Department of Defense ramps up AI investment, BigBear.ai is well-positioned for more wins. They're also expanding into commercial sectors like logistics, manufacturing, and energy, broadening their growth potential. The risk? Heavy reliance on government contracts, so commercial expansion is crucial. Financially, they're still in a high-growth pre-profitability phase, investing in sales and R&D key metrics, backlog growth and new customer acquisition, especially in the commercial market. If they land a major enterprise client, the market could quickly re-rate this $2 stock. It's a high-risk, high-reward scenario, but the pieces are in place for a potential breakout. Watch for news on government contract awards and new enterprise customers. That's BigBear.ai. Third is Lantronix, ticker LTRX, trading around $4 a share. Lantronix is a key player in the Internet of Things, building hardware and software that connects machines to the internet and to each other. Their tech powers everything from smart traffic cameras to medical devices and industrial sensors. Lantronix is embedding AI and machine learning directly into their hardware, enabling edge computing, processing data on the device itself for faster, more secure results. In healthcare, their tech supports remote patient monitoring. In logistics, it tracks high-value shipments in real time. Lantronix is a picks and shovels play on the AI and IoT revolution, providing the essential building blocks for smart, connected products. Unlike many speculative AI stocks, Lantronix is already profitable, with real products and customers. The catalyst for 2025, accelerating IoT adoption across industries as companies digitize operations to stay competitive. Risks include tough competition and margin pressure in hardware, plus vulnerability to supply chain disruptions, but their strong position in healthcare and consistent profitability set them apart. Watch for growth in their IoT solutions segment and announcements of major design wins with large manufacturers. Lantronix is a hidden gem, quietly enabling the AI revolution. That's LTRX. Our fourth pick is Desktop Metal, ticker DM, trading near $5. Desktop Metal sits at the intersection of 3D printing and AI, selling industrial-grade printers that can create complex metal, composite, and wood parts. Their AI-powered software optimizes the printing process, predicting issues before they happen and automatically adjusting designs. This saves time, reduces waste, and enables engineers to create parts impossible with traditional manufacturing. Desktop Metal is shifting from just selling printers to providing full-scale industrial applications, especially in healthcare and automotive. The stock is beaten down due to past hype and profitability challenges, but that skepticism creates opportunity. The 2025 catalyst proof of successful pivot to high-margin applications and a clear path to profitability. If they show strong growth in industrial and healthcare segments, the upside could be huge. Risks include fierce competition and ongoing cash burn. If they miss growth targets, dilution is possible. But the additive manufacturing market is set to grow rapidly as companies localize supply chains and seek efficiency. Desktop Metal's advanced tech and AI integration make it a top pure play in this space. Watch for updates on key verticals and large-scale adoption by major manufacturers. Desktop Metal is a high-risk, high-reward turnaround story. Our final pick is BlackBerry, ticker BB, trading around $2.50 a share. Once known for its phones, BlackBerry has reinvented itself as a leader in AI-driven cybersecurity and automotive software. Their Silence division uses AI to predict and prevent cyber threats before they happen, protecting thousands of enterprise and government clients. The real growth story is QNX, BlackBerry's operating system for automotive systems, used by major automakers worldwide. Their new Ivy platform, co-developed with Amazon Web Services, aims to be the central nervous system for smart vehicles, enabling data-driven apps and services. The AWS partnership gives BlackBerry scale and credibility to make Ivy an industry standard. The stock is cheap because the market is skeptical, revenue growth has been inconsistent, and competition is tough. The 2025 catalyst large-scale adoption of Ivy and continued growth in QNX design wins. Every new automaker building on Ivy is a huge win. Risks include execution. Can BlackBerry monetize Ivy and reignite cybersecurity growth? But at this price, much of the risk is already priced in. BlackBerry's tech is embedded in over 235 million vehicles, and its partnership with Amazon is a major asset. If Ivy becomes the Android for cars, the upside is enormous. Watch for news on Ivy adoption and cybersecurity revenue growth. BlackBerry's a speculative turnaround play with big potential. There you have it. SoundHound, BigBear.ai, Lantronix, Desktop Metal, and BlackBerry. 5 AI stocks under $10 with explosive potential. Start small. Consider $100 per stock, and use a low-fee brokerage to maximize gains. Diversify across these picks to spread your risk. Stay informed, track earnings, listen to conference calls, and set alerts for major news. Remember, these are volatile, high-risk plays. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Do your own research. Dig into financials, investor presentations, and key catalysts. Consider stop-loss orders to protect your capital. Patience and discipline are key. These stocks could explode but require careful monitoring. This isn't financial advice. Consult a professional before investing. If you found value in this video, hit the thumbs up, share with a friend, and subscribe for more wealth-building strategies. Now it's your turn. Which AI stock excites you most, or is there another on your radar? Comment below, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.